Welcome to IgoroTech channel. In this video, I will show you how to troubleshoot incorrect file association on Windows 10. Whether you're at work, at home, or studying, you want the files you have to always open correctly and in the right app. Windows 10 to its credit is fairly good with its notifications. If it doesn't recognize a file type, it will display a helpful dialog with a list of installed apps on your PC from which you can choose. Where it all falls down, of course, is that because the OS can't recognize the file type, it has absolutely no idea what types of app it should display, and as it can only display a few apps in the dialog, it will commonly get things wrong. It's a straightforward process to repair file associations, however, and there are two ways to manage it, the first of which is very straightforward for non-technical PC users. This method is in the Settings app. Navigate to System and Default Apps and you will see default app options for email, maps, music, photos, video, and web browsing. This covers the basics for typical home PC users and will most likely be useful when they have installed a new music or photos app or a new web browser. For example, let's change the app for video player, which is Movies and TV, into Windows Media Player. Just click on the Movies and TV icon to display the options, then select which app you want. In this case, we'll select Windows Media Player. Once you're done with your option, the video player app will update to Windows Media Player. And if you want to reset, just click here below the Reset to the Microsoft recommended defaults. There are some additional options to help users, however, for other file types. At the bottom of the list are 3 links. Firstly is Choose Default Applications by File Type, which is the option to choose if you have, for example, an Office app that won't open a file, or a file that's opening in the wrong app. To set the file association correctly, you will need to know the file extension of the file you are trying to open. These file extensions are listed on the left side of the window, with their default app association, if one is set to their right. For example, if your PDF file is opening to web browser or other app and you want to open with Adobe Acrobat Reader, just look for the .pdf extension and change it to your preferred app. Additional tips: you can display the extensions for all files in File Explorer from the View tab on the ribbon, by checking the File Name Extensions option. The second method is Choose Default Apps by Protocol. A protocol is a non-file element such as a web link, map, DVD burning command, or create email link. You can see a list of protocols in the left of the window, with their default app association to their right. For example, if you want to change the app for Mailto, just click the menu on the right of it to display options, then select your preferred app. Let's say Google Chrome. Once you click on it, this will update immediately the app for Mailto. The third method is Set Defaults by App. This will display a list of all the installed store apps and Win32 desktop apps on your PC. You can click one to check its file defaults and set all the defaults for the app, or choose which file types or protocols to associate with that app. This covers how to troubleshoot incorrect file association on Windows 11. If you have a question to ask, leave it in the comments below and I'll do my best to answer it. If you found this tutorial is helpful, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day.